So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you through the process of how to make Ayamase, anyone, and popularly known as Ofada sauce. So stay tuned while I take you through the process of how I make this yummy sauce. I'm going to take you through the process of making peppers. We need my onions, take out the bag as you can see, and into quarter and take out the seed, your pepper. That's just all I have to tell you. Six bell pepper. I'm using I don't know what this is called, but rodo sauce. It's more pepper. You got to. Can't stand. Have to take out the seed. Next. Basmati rice. Or put plenty. Yeah. So this is what we have. So we are going to put this into tiny chunks. So now we're going to place it in our food processor, our Nigerian food processor. So I'm going to just cut this into 4 so that it would stop it. Yeah. What's in here? Pieces like that. So that will show you what it looks like when it comes out. So we are going to sieve this juice out, and we are still going to use it so that you will not say you will not use the juice. Ayamase. The first thing you need is your green pepper. So after blending it, I had to extract the juice. Seasoning powder, how it came out anyway, everything. And this is my blended onions. This is my crayfish. This is my locust beans. This is my bleached palm oil. This is the juice from the green bell pepper because we still need it. These are my eggs. So this is my. We have liver out. Yep. So let's get into the cook. So guys, in our clean pots, we are going to go in with our bleached palm oil. So that you can see the real color on it. And you're just there. You see? Add it to. I don't know why this oil is stubborn. Medium heat. My babies. And now we are going to add our crayfish in it. It will infuse the smell into the aroma into the oil. Minutes. We are just going to add our green bell peppers, yeah. Because I don't know what is wrong with my oil. The oil decided to be who it is. It's not my fault. Yeah. Seasoning powder, our Maggi, salt, and just give that a stir. And then we are going to minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is what I want. We are going to go ahead to add our protein, our runabouts. a little Ayamase, you can see. Just add like, and just give this a stir. And leave it to continue cooking. So now, after 20 minutes, this was Ofada sauce. Ayamase. I'm poking my ass. One sweet.
So, why you no process? I don't say